Hello traders, Sham here. Welcome to AlgoStreets Market Analysis, where we decode markets using systematic rule-based approach. Let me explain what happened today and what to expect tomorrow.
Yesterday's close was bullish because it has closed above R1. So, if you remember, we have discussed two possible scenarios. If it opens above R, even if it opens within the range, and if it sustains above this R1, and if our algo suggests a sell buy setup, then that might have been our most probable upside range, upside target for most probable for upside targets. But unfortunately, we got a opening within this range. There is no continuation of yesterday's close. Let me do a bar replay and show you. It has opened within the range. That is neutral. There is no continuation. We have discussed if it is unable to sustain above R1 and if we see any sell signal by algo within this range, we can target until S1. But unfortunately, this range itself huge. We don't have much points left to reach to this target. But if you see the momentum, it's unable to sustain above S1. So here it should have been confirmed that we are not looking for buys anymore until otherwise our algo suggests. Here we didn't get proper entry, but it has reached the target. Now it is trading between S1 and S2. Now we got another sell entry near our S2 and we got entry as well. And the risk is 54 points. I hope you can see this risk as well. Here the risk is 54 points. So you can first, as a first target, you can aim for at least 1 is to 1. Otherwise this sell setup won't come. Okay. So if you see it has reached 78, that means 22 points. 22 plus 24. Almost 50 points you got in this trade. In the first setup, you didn't get any entry in the Nifty. In the second setup, you got entry here. I will also show you Sensex, where we got beautiful entry today. So this is the sell setup we got today, and we got a beautiful entry as well, and it has given almost 3 to 400 points. And here again there is one more sell setup, and we got entry here, and we got a fall. One thing you can make sure that you will not be against trend by using this free indicator. Let me show you the next day levels and what needs to be focused on. And these are the tomorrow's R1 and S1. So when you open your chart tomorrow, you will be seeing this one as the levels that you need to be monitoring. So today's close is very bearish because it is trading below S1. And if it sustains, even tomorrow opening is within below this S1, and if it sustains and our algo suggests a sell setup again, then we can go for shorts. And if you are lucky enough and if it sustains above S1 and if we get a buy signal, then we have a very good range to cover until this R1. So these are the two possible good setups that we might get tomorrow. Let me show you two more stocks that whoever interested in picking up the stocks. These are the stocks we get daily in our watch list. So today we got Bajaj Finance, which is very near to our entry zone. You will have the entry range, stop loss. It has occurred 24 hours before. The signal has occurred 24 hours before. So you can currently it doesn't have any primary target. So Algo doesn't see any resistance, but there is a optional secondary target. So you can aim for that one. And one more stock is Adani Ports. Adani Ports also came in our positional tool, and it has given an entry here, so you might find a possibility of getting one more entry here. So yeah, this is one best stock that you can look for longs. Hope this video is helpful. See you in next video. Thank you.
This is how systematic trading works. No emotions, just rule based decisions. Follow these levels, manage risk, and let the system work.